Hi, in this video I will show you how to perform a factory data reset on your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 or Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. But first of all, I must warn you that a factory data reset will reset your phone to its default factory settings, and all data will be erased from the phone. So make sure that you have any data that you need backed up before resetting your phone. So if you backed up all the data that you need, swipe down from the top of the screen and go to Settings. Scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset. Again, scroll down and tap Reset. If you have a secure lock method set up, you will need to enter it now. And finally, tap Delete All. If you have added a Samsung account, you will need to confirm your password now. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the like button. I would really appreciate it.